Dream job, professor. Isn't it a fantastic job to be able to set your own research direction and to work with a group of highly intrinsically motivated PhD students and postdocs? It has a glitch. Securing funding is a big headache.
Right.
Many publicly funded programs having success rates as low as 10 or 20%. David,
Yes.
do you have something for us?
Absolutely. We suggest you add private sector funding to your research portfolio. Work with companies. Not only is it a great way to bring in new money, it's a great way to bring in new ideas, and it's a really great way to train your students and your postdocs for the private sector careers that many of them will actually have.
Sounds interesting, but can I still publish when working with industry?
You can. So there are a number of concerns that people might have about the differences between academia and industry, and we address all of those in our course, How to Get Research Funding from Industry. We talk about the publish versus patent gaps, we talk about some of the differences, and how to navigate those successfully.
Now, sounds fantastic. However, my entire network is purely academic.
Sure.
How can I get in touch with these people?
Absolutely. That's another thing we cover in this course. How are companies structured? Who can you reach out to? And even more importantly, how can you describe your research in a way that makes them think, hey, this is something valuable for us. Let's collaborate.
How to get research funding from industry. The unique course from Natural Science Careers, Philip Gramlich.
And Turning Science, David Giltner.